ade nyankopon fa mbone cheve na me ko bonsam jema na NPP say ko me ko bonsam jema na NPP we ya dipa kura put drink and keeping the words enti get what is nti no atangwa nim chi obi gisa na bi say obeti se bofuro odam no owuro na fui owuro na dane no ye hu say high brown the hwase ay green pe na dane de kakra ye wi na yi na da to abefo pan no ye so fa nko so so ntre omukwa na abefo na tutwa no ma wi nkwasiafo. Now mama come list today from John Mahama's speech wamama tiasie say he came to serve and that problems were better, you know. He is not going to lament. He is not going to say, hey, naysayers and my enemies. On kakasa kwasiake kanti sa chichidie kwasiampenyi no. Ekufu do kwasiampenyi when your opportunity biya so bekasa. He has an issue with somebody. But when you listen to John Mahama, and we are entering straight into the state of the nation, this is John Mahama, and this is the beginning of his speech.
Mr. Speaker, as I stated earlier, Article 67 of the 1992 Constitution requires that I give an account of the state of our nation to Parliament. I'm sad to report that the state of our nation is not good. Our economy is in crisis and our people are suffering unprecedented hardships. Mr. Speaker, we will host a national economic dialogue on March 3rd and 4th. On March 11th, the Minister of Finance, on my behalf, will present the budget estimates for the financial year 2025 to this August House. These two events will allow us to present the real state of Ghana's economic crisis to the people. Mr. Speaker, it is not my style to lament and shift blame when confronted with challenges. Mr. Speaker, it's not my style to lament and shift blame when confronted with challenges. My approach is to accept challenges and work hard to resolve them. Indeed, this is precisely what the people of Ghana elected me to do. I have therefore not come here to lament on the state of our country. Though there's much to lament about, I understand why I was elected with such high voter confidence, and that is to solve Ghana's problems.
John Dramani Mahama and the only Ghana focus on Canada from Asankrigwa for Mikroma Yeldo, Mima Mikrum Denu, a year bequire for a year South Centreso, not Centreso, any a suchare for Munina Munti, Maminju Jum. John Dramani Mahama be the president, and this is his first time we were parliamentar on the Ghana for aiding Komo. Now be the president of Ghana. Esebio dear Oberto Yano, I was set Omayatia said ya woho, send a bear dachibino, ye busabusa one summer, ye won't be offer Ghana no free ye, any baby audio could do. Ye free be state of the nation, or mine bobre, but chair or mine bobre, net chair the Ober to media ye, or the account, ma or mine general nasu ye. Se bobrene ya ma yehu, se bobreno enya ma yehu, send ye beya, sebio ye Ghana for ye no better mino, ye behu send ye yina, ye beka tiabum at mino. And no enema John Dramani Mahama. About parliament in there, a constitution, a share no, say, oh, make you jamun say, dear Enquasia for the Jaw, any Jumedia Mudi, any dreamer, a ma Ghana for Gina so at to a bar, 2 million and over people can say Enquasia for Winko, na John Mahama and Simbra. Na John Mahama e Casano, or Jemu, and na me baby Jemu, and Magana Fuati. O Casano see, Ghana, ya bobre assay. Ye seek a sem adjuregu. Eye nyoma ebema ye gina ye naso se oman no ni nyina no ebu ni trase Ghana sikasem ebu nkonsa de na opeso kire ne se bibia giegu na okasa no se sia no bibia sikasem no asaya kodu na nado dan kwakufu ado ba wo mia candidate Japan mo ne NPP fo ebebo dwirim di sika wiaye no bibia akodu no opese ye nyina ye chia ye fra bibi economic dialogue ahemfo tailor fo nurse for, teacher for, seamstress, soldier for, police for, Ghana titru ni sebio abawa for, nkwara penny for, school for, enjanka, sebio omo muhwe nwan so na omo ton wachi, sebio omo ton koko any omo ye trotro, drivers any mate for, opese ye nyina ye sia, na ye di Ghana nsensem no etopono so, na ye pensem mu ye frɛ no economic dialogue or say baby asika sama bedru no e wo say ye tu wan amon na sebio ye ti hu eye dwuma e de ya adwini nyina akɔ eye bankrom na ye hwɛ de ebe ye wo ho nti ono ye president no de wa beto de eye eyemtwa eye ewirem ehye etwa yem sebio amanfo no asai kuro no nti obepese ye nyina ye betena se ye frɛ bibi economic dialogue na ye hwɛ Ghana sikasɛm mu sɛnea nkɔfo we asɛ ye sikasɛm na no ensi ho okɔ denim no ɔse ɛyɛ match bosumi a ɛda enim a ɛbɛyi ɛyɛ the finance minister a ye frɛ no ɛyɛ Mr. Atoforsen so bɛba parliament na wabɛdwudwam ɔno de wabɛka ne niso akyerɛ sɛ ye sikasɛm nyɛ na emom no onye finance minister inti constitution so ma finance minister no ho kwan say ombra parliament match eye bosumi eda enimi na ombedwudwam na ombetutu na basa na ombekire mu ndwudwam ma yehu bebi asika pote no ekoseye ene dwiri ma Ghana fo a eye NPP nkwasiafo yi edi Ghana inti John Mahama esa kasa no say ono de ade a Ghana fo nim a ono ankasa nim se onye nipa bi a sebio otwa adwo onye nipa bi a obeto se asem siwo na asem aba sebio otietiem otu ayampia odidi nkofo atem ono de oye nipa bi a obeto se asem wo ho na problem wo ho a ne niso ade hu nyina ne se onkasa na emom obemeki sure se sa problem no sebio obesolve inti na ohwe Ghana fo bo se ose ono de onya akyekye na sebio onya ponchireni ona sebio so onye agama lizard oya Ghana ni mapa ensem esini na so a onto yampia de oya ne se ohwe asem no se na etie na waso ano enti ode Ghana fo ene ono angasa gidia ye wo ni mu no ose oba make sure se sikasem ntoto ya asai ama Ghana sikasem nyina asai no ono John Dramani Mahama onto yampia ondi nkwase asem de sa ponchireni onni mu asem te se wini osebio onsa ete se ede agama lizard na emom obeso asem ne mene na wobu ni kom na Ghana fo yenya ye fa hodie na mum yanko tie John Mahama ne nsem bi so a okaye.
It is not my style to lament and shift blame when confronted with challenges. Mr. Speaker, the energy sector faces significant financial challenges, primarily due to collection and system losses, non-compliance with the cash waterfall mechanism, and legacy debts. The financing shortfall has risen considerably to approximately $2.2 billion, or 34 billion Ghana cedis for 2025. And urgent measures will be needed to reduce it to sustainable levels and ultimately eliminate it. The financial sector continues to struggle despite the reportedly spending of $29.9 billion on the financial sector cleanup exercise up to date. Scant reserves were also left for debt servicing, despite implementing what may be considered the most severe and distressing economic policy in the annals of the Fourth Republic, if not in the entirety of our nation's history. And I'm referring to the domestic debt exchange program. This is in stark contrast to our actions in 2017 before we left office, when we allocated $250 million to the sinking fund handed over to the incoming government to service debts, Ghana's debts. There have been claims that buffers were left for debt repayments, oncoming debt repayment this year. Mr. Speaker, honorable members, let me give you the statement of account for the debt service reserve account, which is also popularly referred to as the sinking fund. This fund shows a balance of only $64,000 in the dollar account, $64,000 in the dollar account, and 143 million Ghana cedis in the CD account. The repercussions of the accumulation of debt and economic mismanagement will require extensive work and sacrifice to repair. In the next 4 years, to put things in context for you, Mr. Speaker, in the next 4 years, our debt servicing will amount to 280 billion cedis. And this comprises of 150 billion for domestic debt and 130 billion in external debt servicing.
President John Mahama eba parliament no ende wama ye nyina yehu de etuem. Ose de wanwa a etwa nsrum na nado danko ekufu ne ba omi a ose oye economic waste mad. Boni a omudi ye eni dwirim omudi ye. Jeffrey Bibi eye sinking fund and I say broni so friend debt service reserve account. Se broni ka se debt service reserve account a John Mahama betena so no ohun se sebio Ghana nyoma bebre ne ye na sebio oyo man kwa na se udi dwuma udi nsawoso se wo ton nyoma na wo ton nyoma de eye den a eka kakra beba ebetuma ba se eye enkwara no school kom anase eden apomden hospitals ne emma omonyenyem omapomden ebi omuso omo yare bia eye chronic obo kidney problem ena nyoma nya bebiti omhu eso ho ja ehu se yembi account bia yemfa sika ngum se yeton oil kakra ne kakra kugum time John Mahama etiso no sa account no ene yefa ne sinking fund in fact obetumi asa from debt service reserve account into sa account ne de ya deka na ye ho kire ya na nka sebio ye wuram kakra na ye kakra na de apatantokwa na ese ye gina ye na so John Mahama 2017 efria ban mu 2016 no na sika edem eye 250 million Ghana cedis poly 250 million and John Mahama danema NDs NPP for say we die ye ntamfa ye nsanka so yi sika wo kura asafa sika no tum efri se eyebusua eden kukuo wei ene de boy ho brasa oman enti se bibi besi kura ansa na wodon sabe kan make sure se wodon saka wasa de sika tum na wa manage na na so efri se dachi manti ena bibi afre sinking fund no John Mahama 2016 ojama Joma eye ekufuado atechede no now ende John Mahama ka ogdwem e obrofum a mebedwem e wotwi no o se sa sika puduo ene ebusua kuruwa sika woma ye de siesie eka no what has happened and say enda ogina ye nim ye ne ka sei sa eye account a oja 250 million poly dollars o enye Ghana sika poly ubetuma ka poly sa 5 years na nsi ye 250 million yes ni say and oko accounts no ma under Baomia Ekufuado Kennedy Japan or say Mensa Bonsu en kwasiafo maka mo so me NPP elephant dogs no and oko sa accounts ma sika dem $64,000 $64,000 me sheta me she emunsia ebo $64,000 we kura we keke no we kura me bon price chewa. That means say nanado danko Ekufuado ne kwasiafo we di sika ni nyina TRO. Eti John Mahama say we na ma se magana ni bia yem hyehye no. Every say sika pudua ye jama kwasiafo we $250 million and they busa NPP for sika no de ye den obi say me yare ye me kwa abrochire ebi sim nikodi ajantrafo obi say me de bituto makeup ma me yere obi say me efremo pare na ma esa ankwe chese nkwasiasam edi John Mahama ka sande no say Mr Speaker Ghana for muntie me juma mi di ye ne sika mi jato wo no kwasiampanyi ne nkwasiafo no abadwirim nti ukọ accounts mu nda sa accounts no ye wo dollar de ene ye wo cedi de sika omuja ye eye dollar de unim wifuo we dollar de $250 million no omodi malaka 64 per de atumu enti dey na omokọ no ene omuyi from wallet mom kan pa ene we de gitum na sebio ochina nkoma ka se edini nyina 64,000 oba wonsa na obetuma kan enye sika bibribia ebia hu sika da ye de hu sika pen ebia won shara hu sika da enti 64,000 hu now ye ne mpobo e hye ne ade ka bom be miensa 64,000 tumi to ye ne yere ne emamo ye tu kwan ye ko Brazil be 2 weeks aba ye tu spend $64,000 enye sika bia hu sika da mesin to omukọ no ena bedi eto yi ni wallet ena omo kan ye papa obo no na no obo ne nsa no se ya no mtugu ho omo wie sika no sa account no omo sa wo cedi de wo ho ena ne de omo ja 143 million because omo se cedi no so convert sa sika no kura entumi ntopolo inti ye koya na se ye bai ebe sinne the NPP as a political party that is stupid has not responded to the facts and figures from John Mahama. Inti sa 143 million Ghana cedis no close to just $10 million. Now you see $250 million no ma ria manaka 64,000 And omuja Ghana just $10 million to cedi equivalent. $143 million cedis. All the bad dollars may bear $10 million. That's all. It's technically, 250 million. Almost 240 million. King grind omko. Edian yebe. Kwasiafo we to touch like catch say. I yema NPP mra. Now sebio ya sora no pa yedi toilet. Ya moa. Intina John Mahama kan o see. Dear opesa ye ne say. Ye sika someone to ye a car ye dinner bontini because of a car go for we about war and the meno ka say or see. Say a ba a ye a car Ghana day because in go for we cano no more dinkai go for we kono no more dinka bobesia over $700 million that so 700 million. Inti sa e ka masabogu no John Mahama kwanya amfa ne tunsi akonwa no so no ye calculate ya be 208 million cedis de ye sa de be kasa aka no ho because no free power no na over 700. Now John Mahama say so wo hwe eye e ka nkofo we jai wo ha e ba abrochire bibia fra no eye external debt e ka ye de abrofo abontene a eye close to eye 130 billion. Yes. Oko enkra tadimu a enti na okaje say finance minister beba machi one na ba betututu na basamu hu danger ye wom o say eye external debt e ka ye di e wa abontene yakoji China fosika yakoji Dubai fosika yakoji Germany fosika ye jeso a ne da kofu plane ne de die jantrafo ne de nom jod ye de e ka wa abontene a eye almost 130 billion o say tua we ye ka ba womia ekufu ado Kennedy Japan say mensa o chairmansa bonsu NPP nkwasiafo we ndo mu de no this is the debt they left say about domestic efie ka ye de Ghana for and the ekufu ado ne ba womia o say chairmansa bonsu Kennedy Japan kwasiampanyini ne omamba kana e ka ye de Ghana for wo fie sa DDEP no mo de bae no sika besi om boy sika om gifri ensem a wo so butua ma Ghana for e close to 150 billion e den na ko sika we efri. And these are things they have to come and contest. Ever since there, they have not challenged the figures from John Mahama. Almost boka 700 billion and on the two. And almost sa boka abontene so de ekaya den abontene so 130 billion. And ekaya sa din fie pension for police for teacher for 150 billion. Sa eka we nyina sum ho. On send the NPP for kasa ya sa de no one can wansem. Now Kwasiafo say, oh, 4 years time on to my tafre. Are we mad? Why should anybody sit on social media or any TV station to tell us say Yento Abama MPP? How are we going to solve this? But John Mahama said he doesn't lament. Onya ponchireni, sebio onya agove, and a sebio onya agama lizard. Problem no abeto or say Ghana for boss or best solve a problem no. Time na MPP was so. All that they say. So Busa MPP say, problem or this is what they tell you. IMF bailout. Bawumia blames COVID, Russia, Ukraine, and NDC for economic woes. Is up power. We have a president today who is telling us that he is going to hold the problem and solve it. Our power. Yebusa Bawumia say, the problems we are going through, how are we going to solve it? Also, mumblemu NDC, mumblemu Russia, mumblemu Ukraine. And the John Mahama Kasa, and what is about Russia and Ukraine? No. We need to solve our own problems. We need a leader who can sit up and say, there's a problem. We need to solve it. We are not supposed to be lying to the people. In Kwasiafo with power 8 years, Ubusom say, Adentina, a Kabedaho, Adentina Bobisian say, Adentina pension for Musika, or Siko Russia, or Siko Ukraine, and this for NMA economy. And I say, your president and the Wajina Ghana for you in Maka say, a Kaedahonye, ever seen there, Baumiantum Beya, no say, and ye Kaedaho. Atichidia Kwasiampe, you know, Numisa, Kokuno, on Tumi Mekabibia, and Kwasiafo 88 on good parliament, they have moved away from this. So who should be blamed? Why should we turn around and say, yeah, per se MPP? Why should we even listen to these dogs? These are animals. A Krobian can sound like a bomb in a to actually. Yeah. Because as we speak, in Kwasiafo, we sika to down our bruchre, and your mumba be go bruchre. Amama sa dani omo say, Mahama, and to me to chile my Kwasiafo, Mahama bodam, and this for bodam Krabomo rule Ghana. These are facts. Now, Mumianko and Mr. P, team, stay with me. Now, this is what John Mahama said about ECG.
Mr. Speaker, my administration inherited an energy sector on the brink of collapse. It was weighed down by unsustainable debt. This unfortunate situation has led to many independent power producers and fuel suppliers threatening to cease their operations. Mr. Speaker, listen to this. Despite collecting over 45 billion cedis in energy sector levies, ESLA, over the last 8 years, the outgone administration has left the Ghanaian people with an energy sector burdened with a staggering debt of 70 billion cedis as of December 2024. It is of deep concern that several state-owned enterprises in the energy sector are struggling to stay afloat, and unless urgent interventions are made, many of them will go under. Financial distress in the energy sector remains a significant obstacle to delivering consistent and affordable electricity to Ghanaians, and it poses an existential threat to our economy in general. Compounding these challenges, critical maintenance activities such as the scheduled pigging of the West African gas pipeline, WACO, were postponed from 2024 to 2025 without sufficient contingency measures for alternative fuel supply. As a result, my administration has had to swiftly mobilize resources to secure emergency fuel supplies to ensure that electricity generation continues despite the closure of the West African gas pipeline. I have been informed that the pigging exercise will be completed in the first week of March, and once again, additional gas will flow from Nigeria. We are anticipating a marked improvement in the power situation once this begins. While the current state of our energy sector poses grave concerns, we must remain resolute in our commitment to restoring stability. I've directed the Minister for Energy and Green Transitions to implement far-reaching reforms, including enforcing a single revenue collection account, strictly adhering to the cash waterfall mechanism, and eliminating all wasteful expenditures by the state utility. Mr. Speaker, following my directive, the Minister has set up an advisory committee to guide the participation of the private sector in metering and billing in order to improve efficiency in revenue collection and also reduce the high commercial and technical losses that are threatening to drown the state-owned utility company. A pilot partnership between ECG and Enclave Power has proved highly successful and provides us with a workable framework. ECG provides bulk supply of power to Enclave Power Limited. This is an organization in Ghana. Enclave Power provides meters and bills to all companies operating in the free zones enclave, with 99% revenue collection and nearly 100% uptime in power supply. This is being done here in Ghana. We can use it to cover the rest of the nation to ensure that we get revenue compliance and be able to bring down tariffs for our people.
John Dramani Mahama Kasafa Energy, Electricity, a year collection of revenue by Electricity Company of Ghana. Now, Kasano or see, or person Magana 40 asiye, say NPP for so bois, on for crata matches or bois, or see, Bibia friend Esla, a year energy sector levy, a year taxes are moji, a year sika moji in the name of a year Kania Yusuno. The CNN say, Omutumi JJ light bill ne ehon faso 45 billion. Free power after 8 years no na eka ekufuado ne ba omia ne NPP about to 70 billion. Ya short to 30 billion. Tie. O see. Sa nkofo e ba power no. Sa esla na obie na nkofo we ebeda no. Emojiji eye tax free or and the auto adebia si esla yato esla no. Sa sikana no moto no. For the past 8 years no omunya 45 billion. Sika pole 45 billion. Yabesha nkrata mu no na sankofo we aboka 70 billion at war. Into Busa will say, ah. Now, a day in the car will be my name because they be a mojiska. A day and in this short period, Mutubi Boka 70 billion the tour. Now, John Mahama has also on Onya Punchini ba. Sebio Onya Gove. And I Sebio Onya Gamalizada. Obey de abetietiemu, abecheja chuo, ayade abatwa yampia, abeswatch Ghana for. Or say, dear a chat in Sumukrana say, Munim se Ghana for ECG under Ekufuado ne Baumia. Na ECG for ewo accounts in kwa 80 accounts. Into the ECG for and say, Omo be accounts in kwa 80 wa Ghana. Into the Jessica koto accounts 2 mwa no be akofedi. Ya Jessica koto accounts 13 mwa. Into the na Ekufuado ene Baumia mo oma and say accounts 80 na mo be in the name of ECG no na a personal accounts ma omu nyina. It's about Baumia one account. Ebi abeko sunyane ana Central Regional. Sa ECG account na Baumia ne busuafo dia. Ebi abeko Greater Accra. ECG account ye dia ma Rebecca Kufuado. One ne busuafo eye omo dia. Enti etuo na omo gigi ewo ye light na omo de tie se Esla Levy no. Ye tua baby abeko no eye busua. Enti omo free power no na 80 billion. Sika ambeka Ghana for nsa omo di. Na John Mahama say you bet must solve a problem we under his leadership no the obayen say sa accounts are ECG bi en bebrebe 80 wa Ghana na Ekufuado ne busuafo ne Bawomiamo ewie sika di no opese oye accounts ne baako it is out as enkregwa na woto kanea na ekọ ECG for accounts ma accounts baako pe na sika ne kotom sene be ya transparency Krojene pepe yo obia be hu se ne ECG sika no bebi efri ene bebi ebetoye efri se nana do danko Kufuado ne eye Bawomiamo bae no omo ya kromfo nti eye den na ECG nya 80 accounts omo si oh ade ne se na ECG no or offices ne dawson into obia nya na accounts wi a ne de sika nyina bankran John Mahama said no sa de ne yetwam ye ba be partner a company aban any private company be a Ghanaian company. That is the most important part of Asma John Mahama Kanye. Company in your friend Enclave. Omu a Ghanaian company. Ghana Nidia. Omu sikeni nyina eka Ghana ha. Enya Chinese for company. Enya Uruguay for company. Enya Ghana ni company. Or see omu juma dene say when it comes to formulating and collecting revenue and making it go through one stream. Sebio ebi entumi fa baby a. Omu di jumama omu ebi a friend pilot. Omu di nkan eye hu kakra hu say ebeso ebegina. Inti John Mahama NDC no omoni sa company a friend Enclave no ebeka omontuma sieni na ECG accounts 80 nyina yegu no na Enclave for no etumi bie one account omoni aban ECG na yesika ana yetoa eko Esla no ana ECG jiwe ho no ni nyina beko accounts baakum se ne be ye nyina ye betumi bu akonta at the time umpe we na open kwasiafo we umpe honesty umpe a president who will tell you the truth. Ya chichiri Ghana we kwame Nkrumah ye hu president waka no krekoro jinse bi a kire da eno na eye impata ne mpe enkofo no mu bon aye den abenkwan no omo mu bon eye bofuro nkwan no enkofo no mawe amane awe supeku a omo adwene ada no eno na omo mpe omo de ye de de atro na chichiri omo NPP for nkwasiafo. This is how you recalibrate and reset a nation, because the waste in the system was too much. A government cannot come in and put together 80 accounts for one government institution. No, that is criminal. You are not ready to serve. John Dramani Mahama is talking about transparency and accountability. In the end, I see that company, a friend Enclave, Omni ECG for a Ghanaian company. Into between Jina Baby and John Mahama Kofa company fra Bruche, or see a Ghanaian company. Ghana for dia, Mopa Moko Shomo records him, Omo di Juma me so Omo Jumano, a crojin. Omo na omo behwe meters no so abehwe se ne yebeji sika no na ye sika ni nyina kogu accounts baakum na yetumi abu an konta e de ahyehye ECG managina ne naso ye we na John Mahama ka kire ye umpe we na opeka ya motiom nkwasiafo na odi omochi. There is no way obeko any NPP platform omo benya abotre edwudwa nsem no mu se akire omo ntumi nye their level of intelligence no eyiyase pe enegina entre yiyase omo adwene akọ akira eyede esiye omo sie dipa no makodi soroku no makoda omo agimi. That is why it is important to be part of this platform. Now you're shaping with the facts. Now we will keep these animals in opposition for 42 years. Now, Yanko John Mahama Saka Saye and or can be fa Yesika Samu, or bet me aye, or Sinibo, or Kanokre, or GDA.
With your permission, Mr. Speaker, and within the constraints of time, I'll take the liberty to elaborate on how we intend to address the numerous challenges facing us as a nation. Yesterday, February 26, 2025, marks exactly 10 years since I stood in this chamber at this very spot to declare my determination to fix Dumso, a legacy problem of power shortages. And Mr. Speaker, I fixed it. Yes, I promised to fix it, and I did. And I wish to place firmly on record that from January 2016 until I handed over the administration of this country on January 7, 2017, there was no power rationing or load management in Ghana. Mr. Speaker, today, inspired by the Almighty God and propelled by the massive mandate given to me by the good people of Ghana, I am moved to make a similar purposeful and bold declaration that I, John Dramani Mahama, I will fix the economic crisis confronting our country and reset it on a path of growth and prosperity. John Dramani Mahama, that I, John Dramani Mahama, I will fix the economic crisis confronting our country and reset it on a path of growth and prosperity. That I, John Dramani Mahama, I will fix the economic crisis confronting our country and reset it on a path of growth and prosperity. That I will fix the economic crisis confronting our country and reset it on a path of growth and prosperity. My government, working with you and every Ghanaian, will solve the challenges because we have developed the plan with our people's support.
John Mahama Ekasa, the President of the Republic of Ghana, and the Ojujemu. Nini no kind of brofo, Yama Menumunti, and a Mijum, MOBU, the John Mahama kind of see. Or no John Mahama or the necessity boat, Tinton time. And sana na Ojai Kania, and na Ghana, or minor Ashe Kufuad at Chidia Jimmy Ninsa, or ne Agama Lizard, dancing a Gideon Ba and Semuno. 2016 to 2017, all done a year to me, I make Kufuadono. Now I fix it so ebe sinde obi ni Ghana with me contested that fact or say oka esimupi acquire bema or say oka esimudua oka awom or say or no John Mahama or solve dum so time na order ne kanea order ne to me ashe kufu de jimi ni nsem or ne ba omia comedian nsem no now I solve dum so into a person catch Ghana for say sa to me ni nyansa nyankopon de dum no ahombrasie ene humobro ene opepa or the solve dum so ede yenkane asem egina ne naso ansa na ofri to me 2017 no or say or she Ghana for boss say ono onto ayampia oni obi atem sebio ono onfa nkoshe Ukraine enfa nkoshe Russia or say or catch the Ghana for esimu pi or see a sika sabon toto ya asai kwasiampanyi ne enkwasiafo part no edi adwirimu no ono John Dramani Mahama obe solve obe make sure say yesika sam egina ne naso pampe ansa na we free to me we and your friend the president or see 2016 ojai to me ediama ekufu ade jimi no one ba omia no na dum so ni Ghana or the nsasi ni bo or see the or say oye bema wo Ghana no time na ofri power no omeka se na dum so ho ye nyina enim John Mahama na solve dum so he has confirmed and reaffirmed o see o mani nsiwo obekire Ghana for se opopa munyama anu a moma ne tumi e ma ne wini with over 1.8 million votes no o see sasika sama asay baby dollar ne du yesika sama apate ahye a ni nyina mu hantan no o see on John Dramani Mahama obehye yesika sam ama Ghana ejina ne naso kwasia bi enkasa ne nhwe wey ne friend leader opanyini anadwene mu do why na adwene se obeka no kure akire na manfo na we gina eye okoa no as solve problems. This is what we have been wanting. This is what we have been yearning for. This is the kind of leadership we want. Kwasiafo we gina touch like akire say yemfa to me mamu biem 42 years. Me say mo NPP kwasiafo we you be back after 42 years. Now 42 years no na afe na ye reconsider. And yes a definite. Now afe na ye be dwene 42 years. This is the kind of leadership we want. This is the kind of people we want to lead us because they are willing and ready to tackle the problem. They're not going to come standing around and you know, no. We need real people who have common sense to speak to us as humans and to let us understand and say they have been elected to be leaders. They have been elected to solve problems. They have not been elected to lament and make people think, say, we are the problem. To me for the past 8 years, they have blamed Ghana for every single stupid decision they took. Every day be about Umia, Ekufuado, Kennedy Japan, or Seche Mensa Bonsu, NPP Nkwasiafo ebe decided say, Omubedi Nkwasiafo not blame Yene Ghana for. Majority of these NPP people, Omunya to me, most of them, now for basement, foolish people. They didn't have a dime. Ye Jiminti. Na ye dimirika ni amankwasiafo we to me. Mamenchira o eye nsembia John Mahama kae. Efa eka ye dede. Ene senior ehu. We John Mahama nsembia okaine ebini.
When I decided to run for president again, I did so because of what I knew about the state of our country. I was aware that huge problems awaited me upon assumption of office. But nothing could prepare anyone for the reality of the depths to which our economy and our governance had sunk. Our elders say that a frog's true length can be ascertained only after it has died. And how right they were. It is common knowledge that our economy is in dire straits, which is putting it mildly, because an initial assessment of the books we have discovered, that our economic problems are much deeper than was previously known. We have inherited a country that is broken on many fronts. The profundities of the challenges confronting us are staggering. We are saddled with staggering debts and glaring signs of almost deliberate and in some cases reckless mismanagement of our resources. Mr. Speaker, not even the restraints of an IMF program were enough for the previous economic managers to exercise prudence in managing our finances. After setting an inflation target of 18% by the end of 2024, the actual outturn was 23.8%, significantly higher than the threshold agreed with the IMF. The Ghana cedi continued its downward slide, losing 19% of its value against the dollar in 2024. It had already in the previous year lost 27.8% of its value. In addition to the public debt, which amounts to a staggering 721 billion cedis, several state-owned enterprises are also in debt, including the ECG, which owes 68 billion Ghana cedis. Ghana Cocoa Board, the hope of cocoa farmers, is also highly indebted. Its balance sheet indicates a total debt of 32.5 billion Ghana cedis. of which 9.7 billion is due to be paid at the end of September 2025. In 2023-2024 crop season, Cocoa Board was unable to supply 333,767 metric tons of cocoa, which it had sold at $2,600 per ton. As a result, the then management of Cocoa Board rolled over these contracts into the 2024-2025 season. Honorable members, Mr. Speaker, this implies that for every ton of cocoa delivered this year, in fulfillment of the rollover contracts, Cocoa Board and Ghanaian farmers are going to lose $4,000 in revenue. Mr. Speaker, as I address this honorable House, Cocoa Board has supplied 210,000 tons out of the rolled over contract, resulting in a revenue loss of $840 million for both Cocoa Board and the Ghanaian farmer. Mr. Speaker, Cocoa Board and the Ghanaian farmer will lose another $495 million by the time the board finishes supplying the remaining rolled over contracts. Additionally, Cocoa Road commitments alone total 21.7 billion cedis, of which only 4.4 billion is included in the total debt of 32.5 billion. This debt has arisen mainly because of the decision in 2019 and 2020 to award road contracts worth over $1 billion because of the election.
John Mahama, Ejujum, on say this time, until say, Omo attack John Mahama facts, no. All that they are saying is John Mahama is lamenting. John Mahama is giving excuses. But the facts now, John Mahama, they have moved away from the facts. And then there was a chair was NPP for young Kwasiafo. Now, John Mahama can say, Mena, Major, Ghana for Moshemi, Maminju Jum, or say, a year a can't go for a Jirigu 721 billion. Menewo and Yebitia. Jan Kroma Kufuado Ba, Osi, a year restaurant $6 million. Mumusa on your skaway. Mumusa Jan Kroma say, Insumunam. Oni nuaba no ene saa nyoma no ye no omunye sika wen e kan kofo we burugu 721 billion 250 billion esa da ho a omode be peso. Now John Mahama ka so see Cocoa Board e kan mini Cocoa Board ekuafo a mo hwe me o see because of elections inti saa papa na oda Cocoa Board ano na do danko ekufu adomo ene ne tena sika say omunyi $1 billion and case omo de ye cocoa roads and they see ye hu cocoa road bia omo tia sa sika na man konfo a ye ni be bia sika no 1 billion 2024 2023 and omo ye sa de every say na omo person omo de da Ghana for say omo ye cocoa roads and there sa $1 billion no ye hu be bia fa. Now okasa no see Cocoa Board under Ekufuado ne bawomia o say chemensa bonsu Canada Japan and adwin adwuma no o see under NPP no Cocoa Board a car minimum no over 32 billion 32 billion now nim dey ya e was September ya be ya sa a car Cocoa Board adwin egu no e was John Mahama ban no etimi kope 9.7 billion etua if you say a cano a ba in tranches. It is at 32 billion. No, I was said by September. Yeah, I was said John Mahama and NDC are buying way. To me, and making sure say almost raising enough revenue to settle that debt. Almost here 9 billion within 6 months, 7 months here to make sure say 9.7 billion almost here. Oh, say and chair last week and a John Dramani Mahama. NDC aban eye DDEP omo asebio aban di omo car aban ato omo bonds ni ade no John Mahama tamsika pudio etua dodo ne ka. This is what you call consolidating. Omo consolidated yaka se consolidating na nyoma bia ehia ye twabo ene yakeka nyoma bia sieni se ne be ya sika ye se no saa sika ne yense na ye betumi di abo oman no bra. So ye frɛ bibi consolidation ana consolidating de nyoma bi a ehia e de se bia oten ministers so se bia eye sebio eye ministry se bia nipa mo ho adwuma mo yemfa so ni so o se yi bi free ho na yete so nyoma bi a ye se sika ho oba presidency nipa dodo mo adwuma ho John Mahama ate so no he consolidated a lot of things inti ama ye nyan kakra e ko hyehyehye bebi a ye di tuatua ka enitina Nana Dan Kwekufu ado ne ba omiamo entimentua DDEP pensioner for no move if you said they didn't care because they were not ready to cut down their expenditure but John Mahama ne DC for nim nyansenti nyoma bia ehia no omo ato atwene na omo ye de fata enti omo make sure say omo tete nyoma so ama sebio yenye sika bi ato enti ende so okay last week John Mahama Mr. P Mr. S get me that story John Mahama ne NDC aban we nansi omo ba abemu in less than 50 days. Omo tumi etete nyoma so etumi kura sika nkete ema ye nuanom ye ofanom ye maamenom a kenoforiata mo agi omo nsam sika no sa pension fo no omo bond sika no DDEP no sa eka omo sika hye no ende aban etua bond ni bia ma omo. And this is how you want a government to rule or to govern. They always have to think about the plight of the people. Nipa ne hia asem no on say John Mahama ka no say September he ya ye hia 9.7 billion but one ka say when blame obi or say he will solve it. And this is the kind of positive leadership we need. This is the kind of government party ye hia because they need to solve the problem. They are not going to lament. They are not going to use stupid words to make you feel say they are wearing some Vietnam suit in Tomini Nyansa. They are being real and natural. They are being organic. John Mahama speaks fluently and clearly for every single Ghanaian to understand. Oh, Jay Kufone nim on Tias Yesen and Kofone Akronfo. Adechia Obechumoto Brina Bejina stage say Yentuman Kwasiafono. Kofo to own say the Mahama near Ekania no kre, but Mususam any timodinti. Obetina sa hwibaro num na obeka kire Ghana for say yentoma nkwasiafo no ntinka etie kofo a ka won sa ka we ebeda so. Inti last week ya John Dramani Mahama ne NDC aban ato forcing John Mahama ka kire say pensioner for bond Ghana for bond de yemfa ndi agro baby o say kopa sika bia no yen consolidate yen keka nyoma bimbom yen tete expenditure so ye pray man na yen te so ne yemfa sa sika no bia nya den entua bondholders no into sha last week government pays 6.8 billion Ghana cedis to DDEP bondholders. Oh say one it is all about a president being ready to serve. It is all about you having a leader who is intelligent enough to understand and say, Nipa ni hear some or say ni hear some. Until last week, in less than 50 days in office, John Dramani Mahama, it made 6.8 billion DDEP bondholders. This is what we talk about. This is what we have been preaching. And this is why Ghana for I say NPP needs to stay in opposition for over 42 years. Say a percent of mano ejina na so ejimi foro mo num kan de bofro nkwan superku momone ene enam abombon eduane a sebio sent ne nyane TikTok no omo jimi dom ignore them omo yemu nyina ya gasi omo to nyina don nsaman omo nim nyansa. We are building a nation. We are being honest with the people. John Mahama is showing us to say it is only honesty that can build a nation, and that is what we are all dependent on. Following a directive from President John Dramani Mahama, the Ministry of Finance has honored the payment in cash, kudi, cash, l'argent, the payment in cash coupons of 6.81 billion to all domestic debt exchange program bondholders. And what to say, Oma bondholders will be akasa. This is how you govern. Jandam entumi chichire man. No kure ene de chichire man. And obiti abrochire the Ghana bond yetua ma no. That is how you build. Enti kwasie bia ono ye de party atwa ne fruma no. Omo ntiase omo num cent no ene gina omo tirim a omo ntumi keep cent no omo tirim to omo betena Facebook, YouTube, kekan kwasie asaro ene de da bi o. It's all about honesty. No credit de chichire man. Enko ya no aka se bibi nya no aka enye supeku nkwan momone bofuro ene nkwasia amantre bi a wawe ewo Germany ena wawe ewo nkran wawe ewo de ukura wotim ene be kire se Ghana fo betio ye tie no kure na be chichire Ghana agi Ghana fo esi bebi papa yentoa Sona and a state of the nation so in sema John Dramani Mahama ekan in there me catch Ghana for say yebedwum MOB ehu no kure no jandam ewu jandam ewu so a NPP never exists. NPP ceases to exist. Me na meka megu no and yebegu NPP. Yede no kure begu NPP. Now these are some of the things John Mahama ebo so ewo eye and the state of the nation. And John Dramani Mahama ekasa no odwudwemu o say no Agenda 111 hospital project is operational. Team, dig something for me, please, Mr. S, Mr. P. Give me something. And John Dramani Mahama Kasano see, Opeso catch the Ghana for Mobiatiasie. Agenda 111 na ekufuado ne ba omiamo catch the mono. And the Osimu P, I catch them say, Sa 111 hospitals no. Bakumpo niwa eye juma. 1. Kudi, komi. Bawasaba kunde 1 enyo esa baako almost say baako mpo ni wa ye adwuma endra me ka kire mo say obi say oye bema na say ose one na obese oje NPP si ne kon ho a on kire 1 Agenda 111 hospital obata ye wure makowo kwasiafo sika enkofo we edi over $700 million almost some the Agenda 111 ebesin there yehu 1 hospital oba time to me kom ekoye den ekoje awo na kwase bi ti abrochire se adenti na NPP eluzi ye didi Kevin Taylor asem aboa wona emboa mo say nwan mo tete dam ase de mo kwa abrochire mu frefuo mu ba ya na efre se wo fa se brankran kwase afo mo hu nyenyenyen se supeku mo hu nyenyenyen se supeku mo gye se mo yenkurasefo nti Ghana fo yenkurasefo Agenda 111 na Atichidie ni jina TV so ka say fellow Ghanaians and Agenda 111 ba kumpo ni John Mahama na e ka kire mu nde ebesin ne afenyo mark 99 kasongo what is waka say John Mahama boa they can't but John Mahama has a plan or see and there or can say me or see when chire say NPP ejimi a NDC ejimi or see se si ano or ka kire en sorry ankrankra or pese aban ene enkrankra ekamutibom na omoye bibia friend partnership na sebio omoye den omusisi hospitals no inti se company bi edwen se obetuni den sa ana se nensa nisika abehjem abaye den abesi hospital na sebio omoso arane ne kakra omoti omoka na omaye den omadane amagana John Mahama ekasa moma yenko ne yenko tie John Mahama de okafa Agenda 111 ho figures don't lie, facts don't lie. This is John Dramani Mahama. Thank you, Mr. S.
Mr. Speaker, the Agenda 111 program, which was started as a knee-jerk reaction during the COVID-19 pandemic, when the Ghanaian public had begun to appreciate the significant investments that the previous NDC administration had made in healthcare facilities, and began to lament the many hospital projects that had stalled under the previous administration, a promise was made to build 111 hospitals. Mr. Speaker, I'm sad to note that there is no dedicated funding source for such a gargantuan project. There is no dedicated funding source for this gargantuan project. Mr. Speaker, for the record, as I speak, not a single Agenda 111 hospital is operational. In any part of Ghana, I challenge you, not one is operational. In any part of Ghana, I challenge you, not one is operational. Mr. Speaker, and it is worth disclosing, that $400 million has already been disbursed under the Agenda 111 project. Mr. Speaker, at a rate of approximately $80 million per hospital, this $400 million spent could have completed and made operational at least 22 of those hospitals.
John Mahama Ekasano say, Oka esimupi on record. Agenda 111 hospital and another Dankwe Kufuado any NPP Bawumia Kennedy Japan Oseche Mensa Bonsu, and then Kwasiafo Maka edda damu because of elections in Tino. Or see, ono na president of Ghana, Washankra temu. Or see, agenda 111 no or Kensimupi, Bakumpo niwa eye juma o Ghana. Or see, Bakumpo niwa ya oba time to me come ekwaji war. Hey, imkofo ye mwase. MPP, we ye nine. MPP, we are puffy. MPP, what to say toilet mumwa. Because you still have the audacity to talk in parliament. You have the audacity to sit on TV and radio and on social media to tell us to say Ghana for any day and Kasentia NDC. We nine. The president of the republic said so far $400 million and almost say omedi in the name of Agenda 111. Hospitals nowhere here. Nil. Say him for Krumha. It is in the days to come, the months and years to come. Yes, start to say chichini pa. Obibekas obi ta obi. This is not witch hunt. This is clear cut stealing. I also abino a chinko fogum. Andra, nami advice attorney general no. You need to move slow, but it has to be sure. So be more. I was saying pano ninsati. John Mahama said $400 million no. Senkomu ya imagine post senkomu pese omdi ye jumana anka 22 hospitals and go say to me see. Eyi and free home, Emma or bad time to be called a war. But Ekufuado ne Bawumia, Kennedy Japan, or Seche Mensa Bonsu, Afenyoma came one Kwasiafo we jiminti. As we speak, $400 million. Almost here the Soha, your foundation, your cotton chancing, and your Dura Pila Waha, $400 million. As shit. Not a single hospital. Lordina Mahama, or yet the first lady of Ghana, or what opposition, or see hospitals in Kwen Num. Concurrence ebisiwo, kobole ebisiwo, and the in my time room, nurse for wire for Mujuma, or more form of formoba, Onyankopon Shirano, and Kwasiafo we are buying to miss one hospital. In Dineway, in Kwasiafo who bones to Pekui, or bones sawa, where Momo Bar Patre, or Munya was see green, but from Kwan for in Kwasiafo for Jimmy for we are, Omojis a party, a day, and town a bono, they sat in this country, destroyed everything. Na ya sorry ye jiminti, na me auneniba, me infantiniba, ma betina say, me myanfa to me sa manyan. Oji se me jimiana. Oji se me abuana. Na nka ma betina ha, na maka mo say, Ghana fwe, mombra, ni ensanfa to me manyan. Mo. Now, Mr. S, team, are you good? All right, team. I'll skip and then wait for you. All right, Mr. S, I will skip and wait for you. Now, John Mahama can be FR a year. Free SHS no. John Mahama, Mr. S, free SHS. The video didn't come through. Please, can you get me the free SHS video? I think you sent it, but it's not on the system. And the John Mahama Kasaye, or say, and the Otune Numtu video ni ba me watch them. Mr. S, get me the free SHS. And the John Mahama said, I will not cancel free SHS program. I will make it better. And the original parliament, we are seeing in a channel. Or say, make John Dramani Mahama. I will not cancel free SHS. Na, mema, meshamu kena. O sibia nyanseni dwene. Omo titi TikTok, titi Facebook, titi omo radio, so won to me radio omo fin. Eni ebetwa free SHS im, eni ebetwa omo agimi. Ya wo omo ya de koraba de sansuo mo omo nom NPP for omo agimi. Ya wo omo pe, ne de koraba sansuo, ne de ason omo, enti omo kasai so omo ye moa. Who can cancel free SHS in Ghana? Nana nado dan kweku fo ado pegi toto awo tofu dwene. Bawomia inkremoni bema o se oye onyoma se kremoni onim nyansa muna fiki wada ni kremoni American Muslim oyi preko no wine. Otena o ka che se John Mahama ne NDC betwa free SHS ni. And then John Mahama ka che Ghana for. O se free SHS no. There is no way obi abetumetwem. Ono ontwem na obehye mu kena and then oko schools na enkwara ni age. Die na omo ka omo say ende ye di wache papa and yedidi akosua ka ho. These are young people who are being fed well. And John Mahama kan I was say school na ye the free SHS no I was say ye did to me aduane ne to no I was say ye did ma schools no na schools na akoto mo aduane senior be ya as school bi anto aduane na ye betuma so beza any headmaster pa. You need to give authority to the school to be able to buy their own food. So Oma schools no to me so manko to aduane a say school no asenkregwa ekuafo mu asankregwa omudia tomatoes omudia jene omufa emoba omudia eburo sa ekuafo no mo sa area ono school no beto afiri omo ho it technically no you have employed and you have created the employment for people. It was say the idea say ekufo de nkwasiafo ni ba omiamo e de bibia frɛ no abind to distribute food to schools no or say ejimisem. Now, under his leadership, no, he will not cancel it. Or Beshamukina, or the 2 mini Bema school for headmasters, no, are buying the Sikabe Momo. No, I catch them say, a more 20 bucks. A year, Tom Brown 30 bucks. Say about school on a new or so year, no, wait to me, year, no, see jailu. Into John Mahama say, and then no, Oma done it to me, no, Omo done it to me, no, at your school headmasters, bears, matrons. Send any time a school, no, now your school now the koto bayre. Your school now the koto emo. I was say a did 2 minimum. Na omwanka se kodi omudwa enti ende uko schools na yenyampon start here no enkwara ne age ema sebio omubose se eyezu na wo so age so eyeza.
Wow, the first time in Process Senior High dining hall history. There has been never watching an egg at the dining hall before. And when Eyezu came to power, we are now eating watching like if you're watching any akono say any posia mienu Eyezu Eyeza. Wow. The first time in Process Senior High dining hall history. There has been never watching an egg at the dining hall before. And when Eyezu came to power, we are now eating watching like if you're watching any akono say any posia mienu Eyezu Eyeza.
This is what we've been talking about. This is how it's supposed to be. The kids are supposed to be happy in school. They are supposed to eat well. They are supposed to be confident. They are supposed to let us know they are being fed well and that their job is to learn and to become good citizens. That is what we need. Near to Kroma and Andaiku country. Aya akwana de kwa chia se kokohwede no a ye frɛ no edutumu no country eko kra emo a asay lemons rice ɛna ɔde emo ne ma school for na nkwara de diwuye akoya the punk said the opepan pobo ho Bulgaria or California kurase ne kotam ne ba say o me education so oba ne tie bone ha and na the show that wa ha and o keka nkwase asem na wo education minister ka country a o just akwara to school dey no obeka na ejimifo we ya so mo so because NPP is filled with lies. The NPP as a political party adibia about NPP no Adebia about NPP no eyatro. Mr. S, what do you have for me? All right, so my team said almost something on free SHS. Dear John Dramani Mahama eka efa free SHS one. Mama yanko tie John Mahama. Thank you, Mr. S. Thank you for bringing the video in. Mama yanko tie John Mahama dear kafa free SHS one. All right, video rolling and ekodum.
Mr. Speaker, honorable members, once again for emphasis and for the record, I, John Dramani Mahama, President of the Republic of Ghana, will not cancel the free SHS program. Honorable members, once again for emphasis and for the record, I, John Dramani Mahama, President of the Republic of Ghana, will not cancel the free SHS program. I will not cancel the free SHS program. I am determined to make it better by improving its implementation. And also, for the record, Students who have benefited from the free SHS since its inception are about 3.4 million. The figure of 5.1 million beneficiaries as put out by the previous administration was an exaggerated and false narrative. And also, for the record, students who have benefited from the free SHS since its inception are about 3.4 million. The figure of 5.1 million beneficiaries as put out by the previous administration was an exaggerated and false narrative calculated to achieve political credit.
Since say Ekufuado kofa bibi friend free SHS woni trima na exist dada. Everybody na omo person their politics no. Enkwara na Ekufuado say onu ni trim no, onu ni free SHS bi ba no. Omo say 5.7 or say 5.2 million no. Or say oka esimu pi. After omo big D power, omo ye head count to akwara bia ye spend this count no. 3.4 million. Enkwara 3.4 million there about and 5.7. He NPP anka say ye 10 teka kraka near the sijaso near komugum. Bibia NPP nanka ye pese ye petente wudim tente anasa dansenka kraka imapra koko dansen bi oboasi mapra good evening mapra imapra dansen ne ye koko no hausa koko kese no imapra first one koko 630 de no nanka o se de kese pa ne de sijaso ne de angwagum nanka okofo oba ne aworo mo ho na ya wo bo suntui wudim suntui obuba ne edwa mo ho ne akase butumu ne ya wo mo suntui song unim suntui when you feel suntui akwama bodam enkofu na nka o se ya chi omo ne ya sell mo line or cycle MPP omo jimi brutal omo ti kroma 5.7 million enkwara na nya free SHS akọ omo boa Mahama so omo boa head count ne 3.2 million nanka o se enkofu aban sesaye no nanka ya chi omo nyina begu eye de cycle we the cycle crampo de ho efe ya mo omo nyina konkogu eye de ofokro market obedwa can be tell us ofokro market nanka do makogu ofokro market na ye dwom ya wuro bi atade nanka guguso ai nanka kotedon ni guguso ya so wobra na ya ye ni say suntui ni ya se butumu ni de awon to so ade meniji medwuma hu anka edichum oba no butunu mu hwe bema na suntrem na ya ye nsa say suntui ni de awon to so ni kana tu ayi angwani mu se chiu ni na shapanu kraw ni de amabefu awe kwasiafo ya what is do not talk when ma ya chiwa near the contain no near na topan near ma befu kra no makawe okokuma se befu beberegu ura eye area ho aminim ho nyina ya chi om near ma befu pan no mu hyem we nenka some like MPP for nkwasiafo we mo jimi o ma be stay sika be die sika itinka ya chichi om ane aworo om ho osra se de nufu eguso tabram eda nefuso eye madam eye Elizabeth Ohene eye mami eye apiejei na omonufu ya tete se omoyi ntumagu na firi ase ente esensen ho na nka ya chi anwe ya Yakubu gina ho amiam krom Yakubu na tumu Tahiru na ne konchi eden na ogina ngwa na chi ai na onunum na onunu angwanim yes next na nka woba se begina ha yiwo tade omuyom tanu kote don dada so ne as kontinumu ne edi suntui ne tegeto to abia tokro de dado so suntui se so de chema wontu anim wo atata chema wontumi suntui wa otongwa ni ano achi ne de kwantre asa no pa de da to abefo pa num ne da masa suntre so abefo hene ne wakwakowe okwa kraw no mo wi no Kumasi Sports Stadium obekwa abefo pa no na omo wi abefo pa ya Everybody can be about down. Everybody. Nyaku po from body chavi na go for your wajibi. Because bonsam jema na MPP. Say ko because bonsam jema na MPP we ya mwajimi dodo. Di bakra put me and keeping the words. Enti get what is nti no atang gwanim chi obi gisa na bi say oba ti se bofuro odam no owuro na fui owuro na dane no ye hu say high brown the hwase ay green pe na dane de kakra ye wi na yi na da to abefo pan no ye so fa nko sa so ntre so omko na abefo na twitwa no ma wi nkwasiafo. Now mame nkomedim John Mahama eka bibi fa eye infrastructure, educational infrastructure ho. Now some emphatic statement bi. Thank you very much, team. Maybe I bought another statement of John Mahama, and it's got to do with this. John Mahama say, no new school will be built without a teacher's accommodation. Or say under NDC Abanwe, school bien where you be see a YNC teachers bungalow and can we a nyansa. I feel want to be a yetchire or say under the leadership from Endeko. School dan bien where you be see a yemfa teachers bungalow and come. Because ultimately see school, that teacher emfa 2 hours emba school. No. I was a teachers no any accommodation around the school. Send your beya, no mona beyen tientia our class. Into John Mahama kanye, or say endeno, or Magana for Yunatia say, under his leadership, school be Biano, ombesi teacher for, baby omobatina, omotina bia akahu. This is John Dramani Mahama, the President of the Republic of Ghana. Thank you very much, team.
Mr. Speaker, to promote inclusion and equity, the government will enhance and resource the Islamic Education Unit to recruit more Islamic and Arabic tutors for English-Arabic schools. We will establish STEM and TVET schools in underserved and peri-urban communities. We will provide scholarships to brilliant but needy students in deprived communities, especially for study in law, medicine, and engineering. We will support Islamic colleges of education with infrastructure and logistics, and will enroll youth in Zongo and deprived urban communities in the National Apprentice Program and offer free technical and vocational training. Mr. Speaker, it is important to continue to retain and motivate our teachers in all schools, especially in the rural areas. Government will begin plans for the implementation of the 20% allowance for teachers who agree to serve in rural schools. District assemblies are going to be involved in this scheme to ensure that the teachers are present and teaching in the schools that are selected. This scheme will reward such teachers for their sacrifices and ensure quality education nationwide, not only in urban centers. Mr. Speaker, as part of our Teacher Dabre initiative, the construction of teacher accommodation units to improve welfare and attract teachers to rural areas will commence this year. Mr. Speaker, no new school will be built in this country without teachers' accommodation. Mr. Speaker, no new school will be built in this country without teachers' accommodation. Mr. Speaker, no new school will be built in this country without teachers' accommodation.
The Mahama Kasa or say, now by way will never build or they will never put any school beer together. And that's almost school beer a bra yemfa teacher for Bangalo and Kahu. Afi wo nyansa and wo hu adwene. NPP for me wow. And this is the kind of president we need. The president who understands the people. Send your teacher for a bread with accommodation. How young teachers would love to teach in rural areas. And the crocaya or say teachers or just atu so mo be konkurasa ko sua de no. Abai be mo incentives, almost salary no, you be 10% back count. This is how government works with the people. John Mahama person or the education the lowest part. Don't ma obienya equal access to equal education. And was say no way teacher ni na ujitum say mo post him in kurasi a buying or salary now obejino a buying the bibe count. This is how you build a nation. Or say school be any Ghana you be see a young for teacher bungalow enka and we cry or so your teacher ni we a nursing teacher training college student or so teacher say we any abino.